What's up everyone, it's Jaquil, your guide to living with Apple every day, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the password, the login, on your MacBook. MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iMac, it's all roughly the same concept, so without further ado, let's get started. You go right here to the Apple symbol in the top left hand corner, you click on that. You go down to System Settings, and then once you click on System Settings, you're going to scroll down to where it says Touch ID and Password. You click on that, and then right here at the top where it says Change a login password, you press change. It's going to ask you for your old password. I'm going to black out this screen just so you don't see me enter my old password. And then it's going to ask you for your new password. Now keep in mind, it is alphanumeric on MacBooks. Alphanumeric means it can have both letters of the alphabet and it can have numbers. So just for this example, which I did from the iPhone example in a prior video, we're going to just do 000, we're going to do 000 and then 000 and add an exclamation point just because. Verify, we're going to go 000, we're going to go 000, exclamation point. Password hint, no. We're going to change the password. Oh, the passwords don't match. Okay, we're going to do that again. 000, exclamation point. Then we're going to verify. We go 000, exclamation point. Change password. Voila, you have your new password. We're going to press change it to change it back to my old password. I'm going to black out the screen so you don't see what it was. And voila. So I've changed it back to my old password, but you can use this to change to your new password as many times as you like. I saw on the iPhone, they only allow you X amount of times within 72 hours, but it seems like on the iMac or MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, there doesn't seem to be a quantity limit, so I guess you could change your password every day if you want to, or every week, every month, once a year, etc., however you want it. Make sure you subscribe for more Apple tips.